Ladies and gentlemen, it's very important that we communicate correctly. And to communicate correctly, pronunciation matters the most. Therefore, let's start learning consonant sound. And this consonant sound is written in the form of the small letter B. And it is articulated with the lips. You need to press your lips and push the air out. B, B. This is the sound. Let's go with a few words which start with B sound. Book. Repeat each word after me to learn the appropriate pronunciation. I'm gonna pronounce each word thrice. Book, book, book. Let's move on to the second word. Bring, bring, bring. The third word. Brought, brought, brought. Fourth word. Buck, buck, buck. Fifth word. Boy, boy, boy. Sixth word. Bang, bang, bang. Thanks for watching this video.